Hello and welcome. Dear aspirants, today we will discuss some important MCQs about the topic Waqf Amendment Act 2025. As far as the topic is concerned, it will remain most crucial for your upcoming exams. So, let's get started. Question number 1 is Ministry responsible for Waqf related matter in India. That is, which is the ministry who is responsible for Waqf related matter, whether it is Awqaf and Islamic Affairs, Ministry of Awqaf and Islamic Affairs, Ministry of Minority Affairs, or Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, or none. Its answer will be Minority Affairs, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Question number 2 is Waqf Amendment Act 2025 is a social issue, a religious issue, a property issue, or economic issue, whether it is economic issue, property issue, religious issue, or social issue. Its answer will be it is a property issue, not a religious issue. So do not get confused here whether it is religious or property. Its answer is right answer is property. It is a property issue. Question number third is how many women members must be included in one state in Waqf board? Its answer is option A 4, option B 3, option C 2, and option D 1. Its correct answer will be option C, that is 2. Next question. The new Waqf Amendment Act 2025 interferes the religious affairs of communities. This violates article ये जो वक्फ अमेंडमेंट एक्ट है इसकी वजह से कौन कौन से आर्टिकल्स या आर्टिकल इंटरफियर हुआ यानी कि वायलेट हुए आर्टिकल ऑप्शन ए ऑप्शन बी ऑप्शन सी एंड ऑप्शन डी इट्स राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए 25 26 and 29. Next question. Waqf Amendment Act is also known by none of the above. Next question, last question. The inclusion of non-Muslims in Waqf board is seen as interfering with the management of its religious affairs, economic affairs, political or religious properties. This is the most MCQ, most important MCQ about this topic. So जवाब दो इसका इसका क्या आंसर आएगा religious affairs, economic, property or religious properties. Its answer will be sorry. Its answer will be religious properties, not religious affairs. ये याद रखना ये एक कंफ्यूज करने वाला क्वेश्चन है. थैंक यू.